course, last to go today, right at Woodstock Wallaby. It's number 240 to wrap it up, everybody. And clear out the first. Right now to the bench at 2. Clear at 2. Over 9, left-hand turn. To the whiskey barrel. 8 touches. Yeah. 8 and 9. Over the barrel, clear it down. Setting up now for the Fairhill mount at 15. Good up on the top. Out on the back side. And up the hill to the last 2. Easy pace going to the finish. Down to 16 at the steps.